CJ product is a filament-wound composite material. CJ bearings are typically used for high-load lift and tilt applications or oscillating applications. These would be fairly typical in ag equipment, construction, robotics. Depending on the liner material we use, we can accommodate low-speed oscillation or we can accommodate high-speed rotary applications. The CJ product line is valuable in any industry where you want to eliminate the use of lubrication without giving up maintenance and wear life. We manufacture the CJ product line here in the United States. And because we manufacture here in the United States, we're able to keep tight quality controls on the product. The thing that sets TriStar apart as a composites manufacturer is our ability to react quickly to customers' requirements, whether that be engineering assistance or being able to produce parts quickly. Whether you have a requirement for one part or 2,000 parts, we can react and get you what you need quickly.